Hello and welcome. Thank you so much for joining. My name is Matt. The series slash YouTube channel slash whatever is Matt Tech Tidbits, where I'm hoping to share on just different tech that I find interesting. And right now, if you're watching this video, you're probably in the Google Sheets beginner series. I use Sheets a lot in my occupation. I'm in IT at a school, and so a lot of the stuff that I do is manipulating data like student information, asset management, things like that, where you have to do counts of specific things like grade levels or, making emails or, just changing the different text. And so a lot of this series will be focused on that text lookup, manipulating, rather than calculations that you can do. There's a lot of mathematical functions that you can use, and this isn't going to cover those to a very large extent. We'll do very basic. Now, in that, I wanted to just quickly go through kind of what I would recommend doing with these. I mean, you can of course just watch them and you can learn, you can see on my screen. I think going through and actually doing the same thing, there's something about actually going through, trying to make those functions and, problem solving when things don't work, things like that. And so I would recommend doing that. There will be a link to a viewable sheet that you can use. You'll need a Google account, and you can just go into that and it'll actually have all of the lesson, basically what I'm doing there, where you can follow along and fill it in as you want. You can of course do that on your own too if you want, watch the video and then go to it, but I'd recommend doing that. Another resource that I'll provide as well is a Google document. You can view it. It'll just have all of the function lists in the order that we do it, and so it'll have a little bit more information on there. I mean, more information in text. I think watching the video, you'll get more information. And so those will be there I'll try to put in all of the videos so you can just reference those. Again, they'll be the same link, so you can just do it one time and then it'll have all of the videos, lessons, whatever you want to call them, in those specific document, if it's a document, or spreadsheet if you're looking at the spreadsheet. So again, doing those. If you're liking these videos, you can give some likes. I mean, of course, don't just do it to do it. Please do it if you like them. There's a subscribe if you want to get notifications. I'm hoping to kind of put out more videos on a more regular basis. This one, I just kind of uploaded all of them. Next ones, I'll try to do it, the goal would be awesome if I could do it every week. Time and commitment, who knows if that's it. But in any case, you can do that to get notified. Leave comments if you have questions or if there's things you like, and I'll do my best to answer those. Anyway, so that's kind of all. Thank you again, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye now.